everyone, this is Kasia. I'm feeling artsy and today we're gonna draw an orchid. I have a picture of an orchid here that I found online and I printed it. To complete this project you will need a piece of paper and a pencil. If you are coloring or painting your orchid you will also need that, so whether it's markers, color pencils, crayons, whatever you want to use. We will begin by drawing this main flower first. And to help me guide me through this flower, I'm gonna draw a cross across it like this. So I'm gonna draw a little circle here. And then coming from my circle, I'm gonna draw lines up and down and to the sides. And draw these lines lightly because we will later erase them. Now this one is the same thing, but it's a little bit off to the side. So again, I'm doing the same thing. And there's one more behind, but I'll do that one later. So let's add some more detail to the front one. We'll darken these lines a little bit here, and we're gonna draw these petals. So curve up and out, and then down and out. And same thing on the other side. And then we'll do it for this one too. So it's same thing. And now we're gonna add some more details. So I'm gonna add all of these details from this part. So 2 lines to the side that come in, and then inside of here we have this yellow shape, and at the bottom we have another piece that's almost like a U hanging down. And then we have petals behind. That I'm gonna draw now. And one more here in the center. And I'm gonna do that to the second one too.
So add these pieces.
And I'm gonna draw in the third one lightly behind it. And then we have a piece of stem that we see, or it's a twig. And I'm also gonna add this. So okay, now I'm gonna come in and add a bunch of details. I'm gonna just darken it with my pencil. If you are coloring, I would switch to your colors now. So whatever you're using, you want to add more details with that. Okay, I think my orchid is done. Make sure to give me thumbs up, and I hope to see you soon.